Hey guys, this is Zach with Klipsch Theater. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PRO-16RW. This is the Professional Series in-wall speaker. A couple of the key features on this guy: the rotatable tweeter, aluminum dome 1 inch. It has their new linear travel suspension. This is a 6.5 inch woofer, and it's using their 90 by 90 horn that they always put on their speakers in the Professional Series and up, including the Pro Reference Premier. And this does have a nice magnetic grill. This is a 2-piece system, and we're actually using the Pro Reference Premier as well as the Professional Series, so I'll show you the difference between these two. You have the quick start guide, little manual, cutout template. They always do a nice job of packing these guys. Little paint guard in case you're going to be painting the room, which is always nice. Nice magnetic grill, Klipsch grill. And then the speaker itself. And this is what I was talking about with the fact that it is a 2-piece system. I'll show you here. You can actually completely remove the inside piece to install just the back box and then pop your speaker in, or you can install it all as one piece like we do most of the time, just because it is faster. So if you take a look, it does have this 90 by 90 horn that is rotatable, so you can adjust it towards your target seating area, which is very nice. It has a bass and treble adjustment here on the front. It's a nice 6.5 inch ceramic metallic woofer. If you look at the back, this is the tweeter design here on the rear of the speaker. Has a nice big magnet, which is one of the big improvements from their older versions. And then nice gold-plated push terminals. It's a pretty well-built speaker. MSRP's $350. Can't really complain at this price point. It's a very well put together product. If you guys would like to purchase this, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos. And I'll be also posting the Reference Premier Series unboxing and then the side-by-side, so make sure to check those out as well. Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.